So this is the question we have. So let us see this question right now. This is a question from NCRT Exemplar. That is a chapter of quadratic equations. So at present, Asha's age in years is 2 more than the square of her daughter Nisha's age. That means daughter is Nisha right now. So let us start from here. Let Nisha's age. Okay, so that means present age. So we are taking the present age. Let Nisha's present age be X years. Okay, then what will be the Asha's present age? Asha's age becomes it is 2 more than square of her daughter. Okay, so that will be X square plus 2 years. Right? Now this is known. This is the first instance that is done. Now come to the next instance. What is telling in this is when Nisha grows to her mother's present age. That means Nisha from X years when she comes to X square plus 2 years. Okay. Asha's age would be 1 year less than 10 times the present age of Nisha. Now here we have one condition. So here there is small point that is to be noted. Okay, so what happens just now? Let us look into this. One important condition is when Nisha grows to her mother's present age. This is the point. Nisha grows to her mother's present age. Right. That means she comes to x square plus 2 years. Right. Now what happens? When she grows to x square plus from x years, when she comes to x square plus 2 years, that means the mother's age also will increase. Is it not? Nisha's age increased from x years to x square plus 2 years. So Asha's age also will increase. Okay, so how much it will increase? So for this, let us take one small example and see here. Let me tell you with one example. Let us suppose Nisha's age is 10 years right now. Age is 10 years. Okay, and let us assume that Asha's age is just an assumption is 30 years. Present age. We are talking about the present age. Now what happens? When Nisha grows to her mother's age, that means when Nisha comes to 30 years, then what happens to the Asha's age? Asha's age, okay, then we will write one small point here. This is the first instance, right? So when Nisha comes to her mother's age, that means when Nisha's age is when Nisha's age becomes 30 years. So when Nisha comes to 30, then what will be the Asha's age? Asha's age will be 50 years. Is it not? Right. That means there is a lifespan of 20 years, right? There is a lifespan of 20 years. So when Nisha age increased from 10 to 30, that means there is a lifespan of 20 years. Yes. Of course, then Asha's age also will increase 20 years. That means Asha's age will become 50 years. Is it not? Right. So what is that 50 years means? 30 is the normal, 30 was the normal, her present age plus the lifespan, the difference, that is 20 years, right? This is how it became 50. Exactly same way here also it happens the same. So when Nisha grows to her mother's present age, then what will be the Asha's age at that particular point? So Asha's age at that particular stage will be the difference of these two, right? Exactly how I got 20 here, the same way. That means Asha, this was 30, right? Plus this 20 is the difference. Exactly same way. Asha's age at that time will be x square plus 2. This is normal one plus the difference of this. That will be x square plus 2 minus x, right? This is the lifespan part of Asha's age. So Asha's age increases. Okay, how much it increases. That is from x square plus 2 as a percentage. But when the Nisha's age grows from x to x square plus 2, then of course Asha's age also will increase. Then how much it will increase? This is the part, right? X square plus 2 was the present plus this lifespan difference increases. Just remember this 30 plus 20, that is 50 years, the concept. The same way this also will increase. So what happens at this particular time when Nisha comes to her mother's age? At that time, Asha's age would be 1 year less than 10 times the present age of Nisha. Okay. So that means at that instance, Asha's age will be 10 years, right? Yes, Asha's age will be 1 year less than 10 times the present age of Nisha. So present age of Nisha was X, 10 times will be 10X, and 1 year less. That will be 10X minus 1. So in both cases, that is representing the same thing, is Asha's age. So that means you can do it as x square plus 2 plus x square plus 2 minus x is equal to 10x minus 1. Now from here you have to solve it to get the value of x, right? So when you are solving this, this becomes 2x square plus 4 minus x is equal to 10x minus 1. On bringing 10x minus 1 to the left side, so it becomes 2x square minus x plus 10x comes to this side becomes minus 10x. So this will be minus 11x. Of course, minus 1 comes to this side becomes plus 1. So this becomes plus 5 equal to 0. Now on simplifying this, on factorizing, we will get as 2x square minus 10x minus x plus 5 equal to 0, right? Now, on taking common here, 2x if you take common, this is x minus 5 minus 1 if you take common, x minus 5 equal to 0, right? So now, this when you take it out common part here, x minus 5 into 2x minus 1 equal to 0. From here, x values will be, let me write it here. From here, x will be 5 and x will be 1 by 2, right? Anyhow, age cannot be taken in fraction part, so it is not 1 by 2. So just it will be 5 years. So when x is 5 years, that means Nisha's present age is 5 years. Then what about Asha's present age? Of course, Asha's age will be, Asha's present age will be 5 square plus 2. That will be 27 years, right? This is the problem. I hope you got this one. Thank you.